Hi, my name is Steve, and for today's project I'm working on taking a different approach to 3D printer time-lapse videos. I am taking the approach of trying to do 3D printing with motion of the camera along with video compositing, where I'm taking the 3D print, merging that with different images and backgrounds and giving it a little bit different look, as if the printer isn't doing the printing but the object is being created in the real world. Today I'm working with glow-in-the-dark filament. I've done a previous video with some glow-in-the-dark, so if you want to see that, I'll put a link up above. And I'm continuing on that theme in this video, but adding some motion and now compositing the glow-in-the-dark 3D time-lapse into some different backgrounds. So let's take a look. So now that we've got Yoda printed, we'll place him on the table. We'll dim the lights and watch the object glow in the dark. And now the next object starts being printed right on my dining room table. No 3D printer needed. I really like this aniline glow-in-the-dark multicolor material. Colors really look nice on it. Turn the lights on. From the white, transparent material, glow in the dark, pretty cool. So there you have it. Yoda and Vader glowing with 3D filament printed on my dining room table. So if you like this kind of content, please leave a like. Hit the subscribe button if you want to follow along as I continue to try to take a different approach to 3D printing time-lapse. Thanks.